Why does your stomach growl when you're hungry? Follow and save if your body keeps doing weird things with zero explanation. It's not just your stomach begging for food, it's actually your gut cleaning itself. The sound comes from something called the migrating motor complex. Every 90 minutes, your digestive system kicks in to sweep out leftover food and gas, even if you haven't eaten in hours. The growling? That's your intestines pushing air and fluids around, like a dishwasher cycle. It just gets louder when your stomach's empty, because there's nothing to muffle it. So next time your stomach growls in public, just tell people you're in deep clean mode. Follow and save if you want more answers to stuff your body never explained.